I think I'm taking after you here, aren't I? So it's reported, that approximately half of the UK adult population don't have a will. Now, why do you think this is, and what stops people from making a will?
Interestingly, people will also, or may be under undue influence or undue pressure to make wills as well. So just picking up on what you were just saying there. But I think I've noticed over the years with the clients I help and support to make wills, there's a few common reasons why we don't make wills. And one of them you've just touched upon, it's the conversation about dying and illness. I think we shy away from that and we don't like to talk about it. I think as a subject, it is quite difficult to broach that, whether that's with family or it could be with somebody else, a close friend or another relation. But also I think it's the time factor. I think we lead very busy lives. We don't always see the importance, so it's not prioritised when it comes to will making. And that just means it doesn't get done. We may start to do one and we don't finish it.
Yeah, and do you think there's something to do with the age demographic? There we go. Because obviously when we're in our younger years, we tend to think we're a bit indestructible, a bit immortal. So at what age do you tend to see the shift of people deciding, actually, do you know what, I better get a will?